Think about your favorite local diner. The servers there have a formal agreement with the owner. They get paid a specific wage to take orders and deliver food. But there is another invisible rulebook at play. This is an unspoken understanding between people. It means that if an employee covers an extra shift or works hard during a rush, the human manager will offer a little grace in return, maybe a flexible day off, a promotion, or just support during a tough week. In the modern gig economy, human connection is gone. Millions of people carrying bright backpacks or driving passengers are now managed entirely by smartphone apps and lines of code. Working for an app is exactly like working for a giant metal vending machine. You put in a specific amount of physical effort, and the machine drops a specific amount of digital coins. There is no empathy in a vending machine. It doesn't care if you have a flat tire, and it doesn't offer any path to grow or learn. The entire relationship is reduced to a single transaction. Do the task, get the money. The rise of these apps has erased the human promise of employment. What was once a two-way relationship based on mutual support is now a cold, calculated trade. If you sign up to drive or deliver, the main pitch is freedom. The apps promise that you are your own boss, fully in control of when, where, and how long you work. But freedom comes with invisible strings. You get flexibility, but the system watches your every move. The software manages you like a machine, tracking GPS, speed, and ratings in real time. If you deviate, the code penalizes you automatically. This level of control mirrors early 20th century assembly lines. Back then, managers broke human movement down into tiny, mathematically precise steps to get the most out of every worker, leaving people with very little say in how they did their jobs. Today, apps use video game tricks to do the exact same thing. The gig app might offer a bonus if you finish 10 deliveries in a row during a rainstorm. To make enough money for rent, workers often feel forced to chase these timed challenges, giving up the very flexibility they were promised. The Be Your Boss promise is a mirage. Gig workers are subjects of a digital system that dictates their every move. Because the system is automated, mistakes happen. Imagine logging in to find your pay dropped without warning, or your account shut down from one false complaint. This is the dark side of the vending machine. Think about how helpless it feels when you put money into a machine, your snack gets stuck, and there is no one to talk to. You cannot argue with a piece of hardware. Reactions to frustration vary. For casual, part-time drivers, they simply become cynical. If the app feels unfair, they just log off and walk away. But for those who rely on the app to pay for their homes and food, the experience is devastating. They cannot afford to quit. When the system glitches or lowers their pay, these workers feel completely trapped. When people feel trapped, they become digital rebels. Drivers share secrets online about how to outsmart the algorithm. They figure out how to bypass the machine's rigid rules to win back some control. Eventually, this frustration leads to real-world protests. Workers organize strikes and carry banners, demanding that the tech companies treat them with basic human respect. When survival depends on a cold, silent machine, human beings will naturally band together to fight the code. Global gig platforms are massive. They cannot physically hire human managers for millions of people, or offer traditional salary benefits without their entire business model falling apart. This visual represents a new blueprint for a digital handshake, building trust directly into the software. The first pillar, transparent payment. Fast payouts prove the worker's time is valued. The second pillar, real freedom. Algorithms must allow emergency log-offs without secretly lowering future pay. By building fair steps into the app, like giving workers a clear way to dispute ratings, companies can rebuild trust between a human and a piece of code. The future of work may happen through a screen, but the work is still done by human beings. We have the ability to program humanity back into the machine.